Hi everyone. Last lecture you start the list of colors permitted to be used in drugs. In that you see about types of colors used in the formulation of a drugs. In that natural colors, artificial colors, collateral colors. You see about natural colors, anato, carotene, chlorophyll, cochineal, curcumin, red oxide or iron, yellow oxide or iron, titanium oxide, black oxide of a iron. Now, in artificial colors, caramel, riboflavin. In cold tal color, you see about the colors and its color index number. In that, first green, quinazarin green SS, alazarin, cyanin green F, fast green FCF green S. Next, yellow, tartazin, color index number 19140, sunset yellow, FCF 15985, quinoline yellow WS 47005. These are the yellow colors as a coal tar color used in formulations. Then red, in that red, amaranthine 16185, erythrocene 45430, eosine YS or eosine Z 45380, Tony Red or Sudan 3 26100, Fast Red E 16045. These are the red color used in formulation. Then blue, in blue, indigo carmine, index number 73015, brilliant blue FCF 14090. In orange color, orange G 16230, brown, resourcing brown 20170, black, naphthol blue black 20470. These are the colors used in coal tar color. In that you see about green, yellow, red, blue, orange, brown and black. Then now what is lax? The aluminum or calcium salt is known as the legs of any of the water soluble color listed above. These colors are used in the aluminum or calcium salt of any of the water soluble color listed in that formulation. Then next point, that is a packing of a drugs. What are the packing requirement of a drug? You now start about packaging of a ophthalmic preparation. What is ophthalmic preparation? Eye preparation. These are the packaging material used in eye formulation. All ophthalmic preparation in liquid or ointment from and packed in single or multi-dose container are required to be sterile and to be contains a suitable substance to prevent growth of microorganism. Very important point. All ophthalmic preparation in liquid or ointment form are packed in single or multi-dose container are required to be sterile and to be contain a suitable substance to prevent growth of microorganism. Then in general the preparation are required to be packed in such a container and in such amount as are like to be provided with cap, dropper in sterile cellophane cover pack in polyethylene cell dropping bottle or tubes. Very important things about sterile dosage form of a ophthalmic preparation. In general, the preparation are required to be packed in such a containers or in such amounts as are likely to provide with a cap, dropper in sterile cellophane cover pack in polyethylene self-dropping bottle or tubes. These are requirements for packing of a ophthalmic preparation. Then next, a packing of is specified in Schedule X drugs. The drugs specified in Schedule X can be marketed in packing not exceeding in that first 100 units dose in case of a capsule and tablet, 30 ml in case of liquid preparation, 5 ml in case of injection. It provides that the manufacturer or distributor can supply for bona fide use to be hospital or dispensary. Very important things all about the capsule and tablet. 100 units are packaging of a capsule tablet, 30 ml in case of liquid preparation and 5 ml in case of injection. It provides that manufacturer or distribution can be bona fide use in hospital or a dispensary. Then pack other that those are prescribed. Packs meant for hospital cannot be supplied to retailer or registered medical practitioner. So these are the topic of a packaging and labeling of a drug. It is for this chapter, and this is today's. It is for today's lecture. Next lecture you start the detailed study of schedule. So today you see about what are the colors, Coltal colors used in formulation. In that you see about the common name of a colors and color index number. I repeat once again, the green quinazarine green SS index number 61565, alzarin cyanine green F 61570, fast green FCF 42053, green S 44090, and yellow Tetrazine 19140, Sunset Yellow FCF 15985, Quinoline Yellow WS 47005. In red, Amaranthan 16185, Erythrocin 45430, Eosin YS or Eosin Z 45380, Tony Red or Sudam 326100, Fast Red E 16045, in blue Indigo Carmine 73015, Brilliant Blue FCF 42090, in orange Orange G 16230, brown Resource in brown 20170, black naphthol blue black 20470. So these are the colors used as a coltal color in formulation. Then what is the lakes? The aluminum or calcium salt. It is very important things. The aluminum or calcium salt of any of the water soluble color are used as lakes. Then you see about packing of a drug. In that, packaging of a ophthalmic preparation and packaging of a drug specified in Schedule X. So in the packaging of a ophthalmic preparation, you see ophthalmic preparation in liquid or ointment form are packed in single or multi-dose container, are required to be sterile and to be contains a suitable substance to prevent growth of microorganisms. In general, the preparation are required to be packed in such a container are in such amount as are likely to provide with a cap, dropper in sterile cellophane cover, packed in polyethylene self-dropping bottle or tubes. And last, packaging of a drug of a specified drugs in Schedule X. The drug specified in Schedule X can be marketed in packing 100 unit dose in case of a capsule tablet, 300 ml in case of liquid preparation, 5 ml in case of a injection. So these are the very important things about the packaging of a capsule tablet, injection and liquid preparation. 5 ml in case of a liquid of a injection, 300 ml in case of a liquid, and 100 units dose in case of a capsule and tablet. It provides that the manufacturer or distributor can supply for bona fide use of the hospital and dispensary. So packed other than those are prescribed, pack meant for hospital cannot supply to retailer or registered medical practitioner. These are the images show that the packaging of a formulation. Above image that is a eye preparation, and next that is a liquid or tablet units formulations. So thank you for this chapter. Next lecture you see about detailed study of schedule. Thank you.